Let us see a numerical on mirror equation. An object is placed at 10 cm in front of a concave mirror of radius of curvature 15 cm. Find the position, nature and magnification of the image in each case. There are two questions asked. So for doing this type of question, you have to write the data first. So in the situation, object is placed at a distance of 10 cm. Object distance is given as, so this is the concave mirror. The object is placed at a distance of 10 centimeters. It is measured from the pole, so u is equal to 10 centimeter minus, because the rays will fall in this direction, object is distance you are measuring in the opposite direction. It is asking you to find the radius of curvature is given. Radius of curvature is 15 centimeter. You know that f is equal to r by 2. It is 15 by 2 and 7.5 centimeter. So focus is somewhere here. So focal length is this. We are measuring from P in the opposite direction. Even this will be minus. The sign convention for focal length will be minus. V we have to find out. Where is the image formed? So for calculate, we don't know where is the image formed. We don't know it is plus or minus. We will take it as V and we will apply the equation. 1 by V is equal to 1 by U plus 1 by V. So it is 1 divided by minus 1.5 is equal to 1 by minus 10 plus 1 by V. So 1 by V will be equal to minus 1 by 7.5 plus 1 by 10. So the LCM will be 30. 7.5 4s are minus 4, 10 3s are minus 1 by 30. So 1 by V is equal to minus 1 by 30. You can write it like this. V is equal to minus 30 centimeter. Everything is in centimeter, you get the answer also in centimeter. Now what does this 30 centimeter with a minus sign means? So V is minus. So V has to be measured in the opposite direction. So the image is formed on the same side of the mirror. Same side of the mirror. Now we will find the magnification factor. So magnification factor is equal to minus of V by U. So it is minus of, here V is minus and U is also, now here V is minus 30, it is minus 30 and U is minus 10. Minus minus becomes plus. This is divided by minus 10. It is minus 3 cent. It is minus 3. Magnification factor, it is a factor. It has got no units. So magnification factor is minus 3. If you remember the derivation what we have done, we have got it as m is equal to minus h dash by h. Remember, we have done the derivation. You got an image like this. So this is positive, negative we have taken. There the image was inverted. So here also, when you got this value, you can say that the image is inverted. Okay, and the magnification factor is 3. So it is a larger image and it is inverted. Okay, and it is in the same side of the mirror. So this is about the first question. Let us see the second question. In the second question, U is equal to 5. So U is equal to minus 5 is given. F is equal to minus 7.5 already know. So 1 by F is equal to 1 by V plus 1 by U. So 1 by minus 7.5 is equal to 1 by V plus 1 by minus 5. So 1 by V will be equal to, this will be 1 by 5 minus 1 by 7.5. LCM of these two is 30. So 5, 6, 7 fourths, 7.5 fourths. it is 2 divided by 30, it is 1 divided by 15. So 1 by V is equal to 1 by 15, so V is equal to 15 centimeter. You can see that it is a positive value. That means in the direction of the ray you have to consider. So here the image is formed on the other side of the mirror. Okay, and M, if you want to find out, it is minus V by U. So it is minus of V is positive here and U is negative. So it is U is 5, right? So minus minus cancel, 15 by 5, it is 3. And it is an erect image. The positive value indicates it's an erect image. It is formed on the other side of the mirror. Okay. What else has been asked? Position, other side of the mirror, and magnification is 3, and nature. Nature means it is erect or invert. So the second case it is erect, and the first case it is invert. Okay. Please note.